Let's do some reading together. I have some pictures. Do you recognize any of these things? Yeah, I have black, the color black, jump, clock, and hand. What does this say? Can you sound it out? Clock. So we'll put it with the clock. What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Black. So we'll put it with the color black. Black. Remember, when the k and the k go together, we can just say k once. Black. And what does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Hand. And so we'll put that with the hand. Oh, and what does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Jump. Jump. Right, so we'll put that with the jump. So you read black, jump, clock, and hand. Let's try with some different pictures. I have some different pictures now. What are all of these things? Yeah, a drip, a vest, a stamp, and a truck. What does this say? Truck. That's right. So we'll put it with the truck. And what does this say? Drip. 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 So we'll put it with the drip. And what does this say? Stamp. That's right. So we'll put it with the stamp. And what about this? What does this say? Vest. Vest. So you read drip, vest, stamp, and truck. Thanks so much for coming to read with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.